Hello, welcome to AfricanPianoLessons.com. So we'll continue from where we stopped about learning, sort of like different rhythms you can use in approaching that song. What shall I say unto the Lord? So last lesson we're looking at playing the rhythm. So I'll probably use electric piano for now. Shall I say unto my Lord, I have to say thank you. Now, maybe you had me putting some extension, So what we're trying to do is just to open up your hand a lot more. So in this case, for chord 1, you do E, G, C, E, and I'm using these 4 fingers, 1, 2, 4, and 5, and you kind of like roll it. So and then the rhythm then goes, then play G, A, G, E, E, G, C, E, G, A, G, E. That's another one, but we'll come back to that later. Then you go to chord 4, C, F, A, C. F, A, C, F, G, F, C. So from beginning, for chord 4, but you roll. So from beginning slowly. Chord 5, D, G, B, D, and you roll it. G, A, G, D. So all together now. Chord 4 to chord 5, and if we put the beat, four times. To chord 4. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to say, thank you, if you combine the left hand, that just goes, from what we've been practicing. Chord 1. To chord 4. To chord 5. So if you put the beat, what shall I unto my And the beauty with some of this reading, you can take them, apply it to different African songs. Oh, something. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. We thank you, thank you. So, but things like that will come with time. And one of the question you're thinking is, so how do I get to combine, some of these things together? One way is to practice the skill, which is where it's very important. And try to play, two hands together. If you can do that 5-10 times before you start practicing every day, that'll start building independence. And particularly the one I find really interesting is where you play the contrary motion, where you have your C, your two thumbs on C together, and you go, contrarily. Then, your thumb come back to Do, and you can do it for 2 octaves. So you can, start taking all those little skills practice, where, start on different notes. And, little stuff like that will, really start building your independence. Now, if we move to a guitar tone, then it's time. And that was what I was doing it down. What shall I unto my all that I do say thank you? What shall I say unto my all that I do say thank you? So just take your time, practice them, go really slow. Watch the previous lessons to make sure you've practiced that. But the take-home message is, for chord 1, chord 4, chord 5, back to 1. Thank you, and see you at the next lesson. Bye for now.